Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are good, healthy. Again, we will discuss about uses of computer. Many pupils, many computers, many ways to use. So, even I'm using for different purpose, you are using the different purpose computer. So like that, for examples we will study. Okay, so see, in this lesson you will learn about the uses of computer in different places. Mighty, I have seen computers being used at different places. What do you people do with it? Oh, good question. Nowadays, pupils are using computer for different purpose. Let's see what are the different uses of computer. In office, computers are used in office to create file, to make designs of project, to send and receive messages, to make office work easy. In the bank, we use bank to keep our money safe. The bank uses a computer to maintain accounts, to print bank statement or passbook. At railway station, railways use computer for booking tickets and reservations. They also use them to maintain train or flight timing, to ticket check if seats are available, to issue tickets or book seats. At home, computers serve means help both school staff yani teachers, admins and students their work. School uses computer. Like students, they are making the project. School use computers to solve math sums quickly, to draw pictures, to prepare report cards, to make timetable, to teach math, science and other subject. Now, big question. Which machine is used to big shops to read the price or items? Yes, computer only. At shop, computer are used in shops to calculate and make bills quickly without making mistake. To find out the price of goods. Goods means items. To keep sales and purchase. At home, we use computers at home for different purpose. For making drawing, for sending and receiving emails. Sending means if you have fever like that, you want to do some work, so you are using computers. So for sending, for receiving. For sending means you are sending to office, you are sending to school messages, and from office, from schools, from some shopping centers you will get the emails, come and purchase, like that. For making the home budget, even sometime we are recording the items name, budgets, comparing last month to this month, like that. For listening music. In hospital, computer are used in hospital, design and many purpose we are using. So read it, then you will get. Hope you understand this. Computer are used in hospital to diagnose and cure patients. They are also used in eyes test, in surgeries, and in preparing medical and pathological reports. See students, how many purpose we are using computer, even the operation, even the testing. In film industry, animation films like Go, you know, Gorilla, one animal name is there, Godzilla also, and Hanuman means returns are produced with the help of computer. Cartoons names Motu Patlu, some cartoons you know very well, and we many cartoons name Mowgli, like that. They are giving the animations, actions. They are saying go this way, that way. So we are giving animations. Computer help in making movies in many ways, such as making cartoon films, composing music, recording voice, editing movies. I hope you understand this, right? So now can you question time. Computer is used at a shop for making art, generating bills, writing poem. Yes, bills. So this is your turn to complete this question answers. It's so easy, then you can do, I know very well. Okay, this one better you will complete in the computer copy. This is the nice question for you. Okay, so learn computer good way. Come to the next, we learn some different way. Again the I am giving for more example how you use computers. That is the one example. Another here I am giving more examples to you. Uses of computer. So you can see this easily and you want to read this. So see, now I will pause. Hello students. Nowadays computer are used at different place to different type of work. Okay, you are using computer different ways, different types of work. So we will see what are they. Let's see how computers help us to carry out different type of work at different place. At school, to teach student how to use computer, to help teachers in preparing result, to maintain record or fees of the student, to maintain accounts of school. At home, to play game, to watch cartoon movies, to make school project, to use the internet. At office, to type letters and other documents, to store important record, maintain accounts, storing files, etc. To send email, to communicate with other persons through internet. At shop, you know shops, making the bill, keeping the record for things which one you are maybe later on you want to return that, so that shopkeeper keeping the record. At hospital, to keep the record of patient, to prepare medical report of patient. to diagnose the disease in a patient, to help the doctor in performing operation at bank, to keep the customer detail, to keep the details of money transactions, to keep the record of customer accounts, to help us to withdraw money from an ATM at airport and railway station, to bank book tickets, to keep record of the train and flights, to tell the arrive and departure time of train and aeroplane. In designing, help in designing cloth, help in forecasting about weather addition, help in controlling satellites, help in space research. At space, help launching, in making movies, help in creating cartoon movies, help in creating special effect in the movies. Example, Jurassic Park, Raw One, Krish, etc. Now learning part. ATM stand for the automatic teller machine. Email stand for the electronic mail. Recording is the collections of information about a particular person or thing. So please learn this exercise and keep in your mind. Okay, dear student, this is very good information I collect for you. Just don't think we are playing game and seeing the cartoon, watching the movies. No, we are doing many things using computer, through computer. So please, this all things I request to you keep in your mind. Okay, thank you so much. Take care. Bye.